Hello over there, this is Dan. In today's video, let me just show you actually how to place your first trend. This is very important actually. If you are using mt4, mt5, this is a very easy video now to just do it. For the first time, okay, we are using mt5 right over here, and I'm going to click the mt5 over here, and what you see for the first time. But make sure that you enjoy the next video, just be explaining on how to use mt4. So you can mt5, so you can see my balance is at 100. So this is the demo I've been given by mt5. This you see here are the pairs. So I have to go here. You see this button here, it's a hub here. You see this button here, this is for placing new order. So you just have to click that, and then we just want to use that is the slot size of 1, and then we place the, of course we are going to be trending the euro USD. Yeah, so I just wanted to be, you place, okay, this is where you put, maybe you wanted to put at the buying, you want to buy at which buying price. Maybe you wanted to buy it when it at 0.0130, yeah, when it drops by like 100 pips from now. Then you put here, this is on the left side, this is how you put your stop loss. So I'm going to put like 1.01, and here again you put your take profit, and I'm going to put take profit has to be above the buying price. So you put 1.016, because it's just 1.4. So when it move up to 1.6, we'll just be getting profit. And when you look over here, you see it tells you to place a trend. And of course I don't want to wait for the market to reach there, but I can just join with instant execution, buying at the price of the market. And you can see down one over here, only the buy option that is activated, but the sell option is not activated. That means we want to buy now, and we have done the right thing. It's just to make mistake here on the buying and on the placing the stop loss and to take profit, the buy option will not appear. So you can see over here on the deviation over here, deviation will just help us to be seeing how this chart is just moving. So when I place like 10, you see the deviation increases, so that we can see that long distance of the movement of this chart here. And once it just goes down like this, I have to place buy, and now you have your trend. And you can see for every pip I've been getting 1 USD. That is what the one slot size means. So for every pip it moves, I've just been getting a profit of 1 or loss of 1. So that is this. That's how you can just place your trend, even using your real account and all that. So see you next time, as I'm going to explain how to use this mt5, mt4. It's just very easy. Subscribe to this channel, share to your people, and all that. We'll see you in the next time. Goodbye.